I'm standing beside a crossing Basset Brook sign because Basset Brook is a headwater stream to the Mount Hope River, and the Mount Hope River drains into the Natural River, which provides drinking water to the towns of Willimantic and Mansfield. So we're very excited to do this project here. This is a commercial apartment here complex, Perry Hill Estates. We installed a couple of storm drain filters, which we'll check out in a little bit. We are standing aside a catch basin at Perry Hill Estates, and ECCD installed two Abtec Smart Sponge storm drain filters in these two catch basins because this entranceway drains downhill directly into these catch basins, which discharges directly into Basset Brook. So we installed these two catch basin filters, and they're quite easy to install and maintain. They're relatively inexpensive. Maintenance does involve either vacuuming them out or emptying them out if you don't have a vacuum truck. It needs to be done periodically, and the life expectancy of one filter is 2 to 3 years.
What are we looking at, Dan?
Are you recording?
Yes.
This is one of the Abtec Smart Sponge filters that we installed here. So you'll see the stainless steel collar, and hanging from the stainless steel collar is the basket that collects sediment, debris, litter, and other contaminants that can make their way into Basset Brook. So these are relatively easy to maintain. You simply remove the collar, take the basket out and empty it out into a bag and dispose of it if you don't have a vacuum truck. If you have a vacuum truck, it's just like maintaining a traditional storm catch basin by vacuuming it out.
What kind of pollutants does it remove, Dan?
Well, primary pollutant of concern for us is removing sediment, because the sediment carries with it other contaminants such as pathogens, but it also removes all the debris and litter, and depending on the type of filter media you get, it does remove heavy metals. And Abtec is currently working on technology that will remove nitrogen and other pathogens as well.
So Dan, do you see this as something that could be easily done at other commercial and industrial properties where the storm drain system may predate regulations that require this type of technology, or preventing runoff from parking lots to have impacts on downstream water supplies?
I think this is a very viable solution to help clean and purify waters that are going into our streams and rivers. They're relatively inexpensive when compared to other potential practices, and they're easy to install and maintain. So these Abtec Smart Sponge Ultra Urban filters can be installed at any facility that desires to improve its stormwater management and help protect the environment. And for more information, you can contact me at Eastern Connecticut Conservation District. My email is dan.mullins@comcast.net.